How do birds hear? Having the ability which no other animal possesses makes bird a very unique creature. When they fly, they go into an extent to which there is no reach for other animals. We all know birds are very amazing flyers and have very efficient respiratory system, but how do they hear? Birds hear with their ears, just like humans and most other animals. A bird's ear is located on the sides of its head, just behind the eyes. The ear opening is covered by a flap of skin called operculum. Ears are usually covered by their feathers. They are usually visible during their self-grooming sessions. Have you ever noticed that owls' feathers are in the form of discs? Barn owls are a specific species of owls that can hear the footsteps of a mouse from a considerable distance and can catch it even if they are blind. Birds have all the senses like human, but they are a little bit different. Other very interesting thing which affects hearing is the size of head. In addition of their ears, some birds have a special organ called the syrinx, which is located at the base of trachea. Please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.